first, you're going to fold in half, like that. And then, this part's a bit weird, so let me use these. You're going to fold this top part 1.5 inches down. So just measure 1.5. Okay, I'm gonna just mark it with this, like that. Okay, now fold from that down. Like that, unfold, and then fold to that crease that you just made. And then fold it back down. Okay, now fold this top edge to this center. Only on this right side. And leave a gap. And now flip it over. And then fold this right side to the center. So that's basically how it's gonna work for the next few steps. You're basically just gonna switch sides doing steps. Okay. Now from this side, fold this edge to the center. And basically you're going to let go of the crease behind it. Just like that. Flip it over. And then we can do it like this. Make sure all these creases are sharp because we do want this to be as flat as possible so it can fly the best. Okay. Now, on this side, I'm going to let go of all these creases and then fold with this crease that was closest to the center Just like that. And now I do that on this side. Okay, now you can flatten this. Oh gosh, not that. Okay, so like that. And now here, I'm just gonna fold it over that edge, so like that, and then repeat that on this side. So you're just gonna fold it over that edge, like that. So like that, and now you're going to basically repeat that, like that. So just fold it along that edge again. And then just keep repeating the steps on the alternate side. Just like that. And then fold this over that edge. And then do that on this side. and then fold these edges to that crease, or to this edge. And try your best to keep this edge straight, but it does curve a lot, so yeah. And then fold it up like that. Now do it like that again. Like that, and then fold it over. And we're almost done. Now, you're gonna fold this over, except you're gonna leave kind of like half an inch out from like right there. And then make sure this edge intersects right here. That. And now you're going to fold from where this right there intersects with this all the way to this point. Now repeat that on this side. So like that. Now, you're going to fold this, well, like this. You're going to fold it up so that it goes to that, it's like on the same edge. So like that. And then you're just gonna fold it behind. Okay, now these things should be a little bit more kind of locked. Just like that. Okay, now repeat that on this side. So just fold it up like that. So like that. And now, yeah, that's pretty much it for the missile. And what Foldable Flight said, you can pinch it basically kind of like right at this crease, so like halfway, and then you can throw it. And yeah, this is pretty cool. And it's really accurate. So yeah, credit Foldable Flight, but still. Yeah, alright.
Thank you for coming to the paper playground. See you next time.